1. Embrace the present. Older individuals often stress the importance of enjoying the current moment and not getting caught up in worries about the future or regrets from the past. Embracing the present helps cultivate mindfulness and gratitude. 2. Prioritize relationships. Many older people reflect on the significance of nurturing meaningful relationships with family, friends, and loved ones. They often regret not spending more time with those who matter most, emphasizing the importance of connection. 3. Resilience and adaptation. Life experience teaches us that challenges are inevitable. The elderly often emphasize the importance of resilience and adapting to change. These lessons highlight the ability to find strength in difficult times and the necessity of flexibility in navigating life's twists and turns.